How to onboard clients to GoHighLevel. Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to do so. But first, if you want to get a 30-day free trial for GoHighLevel instead of the default 14 and also some more bonuses, you can just click on the description down below and follow along the video. So let's just go and get back to the video. Okay, so the first thing that you will need to do is switch to your agency view from GoHighLevel. So in order to do so, obviously you just want to click here on the top left and click on switch to agency view. So once you're actually in your agency view, what you want to do is basically click on sub accounts tab here, and you are just going to basically build them a sub account. So this is going to be the first step that we will need to do. So once it actually loads up for me, for some reason it lagged out, I'm going to show you how to create the sub account for them and to set it up. So from here, you just want to click on create sub account from the top right corner and select the type of account that you want to use, whether it's going to be regular or SaaS, depending on what you want in here. And now you basically just want to select the snapshot that you want them to use. So either a pre-made snapshot that you created or one of the templates that are available, or you can just go in and give them a blank snapshot. It doesn't really make a difference. It just depends on what you want to do. A snapshot, by the way, is basically the skeleton of the sub account. So the template of the entire thing, the pipelines, the website template, you name it, automations, whatever it may be. So you can even create your own snapshots and use them later on if you want, which is covered in this channel, by the way. So anyways, what I'm going to do, I'm just going to select a blank snapshot and click on select and continue. Next up, once the map opens up, click on add manually. And now you're just going to add the information about your client. So their first name, the last name, their email address, and their business name. You also want to add their business phone, address, city, country, and zip code. You don't have to add anything that does not have a red star next to it. So just add the things that does actually include a red star next to it. Those are mandatory. Okay, so I just added some dummy data here. And once you're done, you simply just want to add this is my client's account and click on add sub account. Okay, so once you actually add the sub account for your client, what you want to do now is just click on the settings tab from the bottom left and basically select the team tab. Click on that. Now what you want to do is basically click on add user from the top right corner. And you basically just want to add their first name, last name, same email, and so on. You're just going to go ahead and give them the exact same information here. Most importantly, the email, because they're going to get sent an email to actually sign up or sign in with their account. So once you actually add their information, go to roles and permissions and select their user type to become account and select the sub account which we have just created, which in my case is going to be this one. And now they're only going to be able to access this specific sub account. So they're not going to be using any other sub account. They can't. They're only going to have access to the one that we have just created for them. And their user role is going to be user. In my case, you can make them an admin and so on. And then you can just go and scroll down and see all the different permissions that they can actually use or not use. All of these are basically up to you on what you actually want to give them, basically. So once you do all of that, you are just going to go ahead and hit save from the bottom right. And you are pretty much good to go. You have onboarded your client to GoHighLevel. So hopefully you found this video to be informative and helpful. And for more information, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and thank you for watching.